Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the research problem, which is the first and foremost step in the research process. So it is the main, it is the key to open the door of the research. Okay, so first if you want to start research, then so you must have the research problem ready with you. So how to define a research problem? A research problem is a specific issue or gap in existing knowledge that you aim to address in your research. So a research problem is a gap or issue in the particular research area that you are focusing. Suppose I am doing the research on in computer science. I am researching in particular area, that is IoT. Okay, so I will study some related articles regarding the IoT, and I will find out that there is a particular problem in the or any issue in the IoT. So I will take that issue and I will expand it into a research problem of my own research problem, right? So next one is the practical problems aimed at contributing to change, or theoretical problems aimed at expanding the knowledge. So there are two types of problems here, research problem, that is a practical problem and theoretical problem. So if you are aiming to the practical problems, then it will contribute a change to the existing thing. Or if you are selecting a theoretical problems, that means so you are going to prove the theorems that you are already having. So if you are selecting a theoretical problem, then it will aim at expanding the knowledge. Suppose you are considering a theorem. Okay, so for the theorem you have to prove that whether that theorem is whether that theorem is true, right? So for that, so you are applying some the theoretical stuff, and you are proving that so from the given statements this conclusion is drawn, so that's the theorem is proved, right? So through the theoretical problems we are expanding the knowledge. So by applying some theorems we are adding a new theorem to the existing subject. Research is a scientific, systematic and purposeful search for new knowledge or for reinterpretation of existing knowledge. So it is a scientific, research is a scientific thing. So no person can apply his own thoughts for the research, right? He cannot apply his own beliefs or assumptions to the research. So it is a scientific process and it is a systematic process. Systematic means it is a step-by-step process. So we cannot directly go to the sampling, or directly we can't go to the report writing process, right? We have to start from the first step, that is the research problem, and then literature survey, and then the remaining steps. So it is a step-by-step process, and it is a purposeful search. It is a purposeful search. So for the particular problem that we are considering, so it must have some purpose. So it must add some new knowledge to the or it has to reinterpret, or it has to modify the existing knowledge. So each problem will be having its own purpose. It must have its own aim or goal that must be applicable to that particular research area. And the statement of research problem is the axis around which the whole research revolves. So based on the research problem, so the complete research will be dependent on the research problem. Okay, so the research problem will act as a key for the research process. So it will act as a key. So if you want to enter a particular room, so first of all you have to open the door to enter to that room, right? So similarly here, the research problem will act as a key to enter the research process. And while selecting the research problem, the researcher may undergo through different questions regarding the problem area, such as why, how, where, what, when and who. Okay. So who means the person or business organization that is facing a problem, and why means that there is a purpose, goal, aim or objective to solve this problem. Why we are considering this problem. So what is the objective of this problem? And how means it means the options of actions one can take to solve the problem. Suppose we are taking a problem, so what are the different actions that we can apply to reach the solution? When means the time frame in which the problem can be solved. Sorry. Where means the environment in which the problem exists. Okay, suppose I am taking the online shopping example. So here the problem exists in the computer science, right? That problem exists in the computer science. And next one is the what. What means the optimum action that is to be taken in solving the problem to attain the best results. So what action must we undertake for this particular type of problem, right? Next one is the when. When means the time frame in which the problem must be solved. So in which time frame the problem must be solved. So these are the different questions a researcher may go through while selecting a research problem, and it is one of the toughest and difficult stage for the researcher to select a problem. So next we will see how a researcher can select a research problem. So this is about the research problem. Thanks for watching my video.